Welcome once again. In last video of standard deviation, we have discussed how to calculate combined standard deviation. In today's video also, we will having some different problem of the combined standard deviation. In last video, we have discussed two questions. One question contains two parts and second question contains three parts. Sometimes the question have some different sense. They give the combined standard deviation already and combined mean already, and one item may be missing in arithmetic mean, one item may be missing in standard deviation. So with the help of the combined arithmetic mean or combined standard deviation, we can calculate the missing value. So today we will having two questions to having the practice of some difference style of asking the combined standard deviation. This is also related to the combined standard deviation, but some difference in asking the question is over there. Sometimes in examinations they want to know how much command you are having on the statistics. That's why they give the question in some different types. So we will discuss these types. Okay, so one questions I am having, one questions on a two subgroups. One subgroup have 100 items. Once two group is over there, one contains 100 items. With arithmetic mean is 15 and the standard deviation is 3. What they are saying, on the two subgroup, one subgroup has 100 items with arithmetic mean is 15 and standard deviation is 3. If the whole group contains 250 items, total is 250 items. With the arithmetic mean, combined arithmetic mean is 15.6 and combined standard deviation is root 13.44. Then calculate the number of items, arithmetic mean and standard deviation of the second group. This question given, we are given that in if two groups, one group contains 100 items with arithmetic mean is 15 and its standard deviation is 3. The total number of items is 250. The combined arithmetic mean is given 15.6 and combined standard deviation is given under root 13.44. Then we are to calculate what is N2, what is X bar and what is standard deviation 2. We are to calculate. Okay. So this question is quite different from previous one video's question what we have done. So this have some little difference. In previous video we are having some difference. In this video we are having some difference in question is over there. So what we are to do? The very first, n is equal to n1 plus n2. So 250 is equal to 100 plus n2. So the value of n2 is equal to 250 minus 100. So the value of 100 is n2 is equal to 150. So we have calculated that is 150. Okay. Now second thing, what? Firstly we have calculated the value of n1 and n2. N2 value is calculated 150. Combined arithmetic mean formula for this is n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 upon n1 plus n2. Okay. Combined is given 15.6. n1 is 100, x bar 1 is 15, n2 is 150, x bar 2 not now, divided by n1 plus n2, 100 plus 150. So 15.6 multiplied 250, that is 1500 plus 150 x2. Here 250 multiply by 15.6. So having 15.6 multiply 250, that is 3900, minus 1500, that is 150 x bar 2. So 150 x bar 2, that is 2400. So the value of x bar is equal to 2400 divided by 150. So the value is 16. So the second value we got, that is 16. We have calculated this. We have calculated this. So two things we have calculated. The first, we have calculated the value of N2 is 150. Second thing, we have calculated that arithmetic mean of the second series is 16. Now we are to calculate the standard deviation of the second item. So for that, the very first we will calculate value of D1 and D2. So the value of D1, that is x bar 1 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 15 minus 15.6, that is minus 0.6. Value of D2, that is x bar 2 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 16 minus 15.6, that is 0.4. We have calculated the value of D1 and D2. Now combined arithmetic mean, combined standard deviation, the formula for that is N1, standard deviation 1 raised to power 2 and D1 raised to power 2. N2, standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 and D2 raised to power 2. Divided by N1 plus N2. Okay. Taking the square in both of the side, the value of this is 13.44. N1 is 100. Standard deviation is 3 raised to power 2 plus minus 0.6 raised to power 2. N2 is 150. Standard deviation 2 not now, 0.4 raised to power 2. N1 plus N2, that is 100 plus 150. Taking a square on both of sides, so that will be 13.44. This cancel with this. 250. 100. 9 plus 0.36. Plus 150 standard deviation 2 plus 150 multiply 0.16. 13.44 multiply 250, 3360, minus 100 multiply 9.36 minus 15 multiply 0.16 is equal to 150 standard cube square. 100 multiply 9.36, 936. 3360 minus 936 minus 150, sorry, 150. 150 multiply 0.16, 24. 150 standard deviation 2 square raised to power 2. So 150 standard deviation 2 is equal to 12400. So then standard deviation 2 is equal to 2400 divided by 150. Standard deviation 2 square is 16. So value of standard deviation 2 is 4. So the value of standard deviation will be 4. So this is very easy. If question has some different, step by step, if you will follow the formula, easily you will get the result. Like in this question, we are not given, N2 not given, x bar 2 not given, standard deviation 2 not given, but we calculated with the help of the given values. We have calculated missing values. Okay. So in this form also there may be a question from the combined standard deviation. That's why I have taken this question, so that you may be having the perfection in calculating combined standard deviation. I am having another one question from the combined standard deviation. For a group of containing 100 items, one group containing 100 items, the arithmetic mean is 8 and standard deviation is under root 10.5. 10.5. What we are given, for a group containing 100 items, the arithmetic mean is this. Okay, we are having another one question that will be more beneficial this, because this type of question already we have done. Here N1 is given 50, N2 is not given, N3 is given 90, total is given 200, X bar 1 is given 113, X bar 2 not given, X bar 3 given 115. Combined arithmetic mean is given 116. Standard deviation 1 is 6. Standard deviation 2 is 7. Standard deviation 3 is not given. Combined standard deviation is 7.746. 50 and 2 is not given. Okay. This question is given. We are having 200 items, N1 given, N2 not given, N3 given. Combined arithmetic given 116. Arithmetic mean of first item given 113. Arithmetic mean of second item not given. Arithmetic mean of third given 115. Standard deviation of 1 is given 6. Standard deviation of 2 is given 7. Standard deviation 3 is not given. But combined standard deviation is given. So first N is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3. So 200 is equal to 50 plus N2 plus 90. So 200 minus 50 minus 90, that is N2. So the value of N2 is 60. So the very first we have calculated 200 minus 50 minus 90. So the value is 60. So the very first item we have calculated, that 60. We have calculated, so I am having in box. Okay. So getting from N2, 200 minus 90 minus 50, that is 60. Okay. Second, for getting the value of N2, what we will do? To subtract 90 and 50, 140 from 200, 200 minus 140, that is 60. Now combined arithmetic mean X, that is N1 X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 plus N3 X bar 3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. Okay. So this is given 116. Value of N1 is 50, multiply 113 plus 60 X bar 2 not given, plus 90 multiply 115 divided by 50 plus 60 plus 90. So 116 multiply 200, that is 50 multiply 113. 5650. 232. 5650 plus 60 X bar 2, 90 115. 10350. So 23200 minus 5650 minus 10350, that is 60 x bar 2. 7200, that is 60 x bar 2. So x bar 2 is equal to 7200 divided by 60. So the value of x bar 2 is equal to 120. So we have calculated the value of x bar 2 also, that is 120. Now we are to calculate the value of the standard deviation of two items, second series. Okay. So it's very easy. For getting value of x bar 2, we have put the combined arithmetic mean and putting the value of n1 x1, putting the value of n2 x2 is not given, putting the value of n3 x3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3, getting we will get the value of x bar 2. Now we are to calculate the second standard deviation of the second, that is standard deviation 2. So the formula is standard deviation 1 to 3 items, that is n1 standard deviation 1 raised to power 2, d1 raised to power 2, n2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2, d2 raised to power 2, n3 standard deviation 3 raised to power 2, d3 raised to power 2, divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. For getting d1, value of d1, that is x bar 1 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 113 minus 116, that is minus 3. Then d1 square is 9. Value of d2, that is x2 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 120 minus 116, that is 4. So the value of d2 square is 16. d3 is arithmetic mean of third minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 115 minus 116, that is minus 1. So the d3 square is 1. So we will putting the value. This is given 7.746. This value combined standard deviation given. n1 is 50. Standard deviation 1 root to square 30. d1 square is 9. Value of n2 is 60. Standard deviation 2 square is 49. d2 square is 16. Value of n3 is 90. Standard deviation 3 is not given, but this is given 1. Divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 is 200. Making a square on the both of the side, we will having the square of this, then root will be suspended. So 7.746 multiplied by 7.746, that is 60. We are taking a square of both sides, we are taking the square. So this is 60 is equal to 50 multiply 45, 60 multiply 65 plus 90 standard deviation 3 square plus 90 divided by 200. So 60 multiply 200 minus 50 multiply 45 minus 60 multiply 65 minus 90 is equal to 90 standard deviation 3 raised to power 2. 12,000 minus 2250 3900 90 is equal to 90 standard deviation 3 square. 5760 90 standard deviation 3 square. So standard deviation 3 square is equal to 5760 divided by 90. That is 64. So standard deviation 3 is 8. So the value of standard deviation 3 will be getting, standard deviation is 8. So it's very easy to calculate. So if in this form a question from the combined standard deviation is over there, you can easily calculate. There is no problem in calculating this. So I think this video will be having beneficially for you to calculate combined standard deviation. Thank you.